This is the power switch of the machine. On the left is off. On the right is on. This is the first step of booting up. The first button is stop, which means stop. The second one is wash, which means cleaning. The third one is freezer refrigeration. Then the next one is keep fresh, which is preservation. You will have a temperature display here. This temperature display is the temperature of the material bowl. The display temperature is the current temperature of the feeding bowl. The next one is set. It means setting. The set contains several parameters. Long press for 5 seconds. The first one is the level gear. Then the second one is con. It's just counting how many were sold. Then the next one is the compressor start time. There is no need to adjust it. And the next one is the temperature of the feeding bowl. The temperature of the bowl. The last one is puffing, swelling. And then this is a soft and hard adjustment. The hard is equivalent to adding. The soft is equivalent to subtracting. For example, when we set it up, we need to shift the gear up. After long pressing for 5 seconds, the first one is the gear position. When we need to raise it, increasing the gear up is hard. If we shift the gear down, it means using soft. And the last one, defrost. This is thawing. It's when the machine can't discharge the material. It's possible that a blocking in this position. Once it freezes, we can press this button. It actually means compressor heating up. It means returning air. By returning air and raising the temperature, after heating up, it can increase the temperature of the freezer here. After heating up, the ice cubes can be melted.